Welcome to our channel. Today I have some exciting news for job seeker in East Garo Hill District. The State Rural Employment Society District Implementing Division is hiring for 2 crucial positions under 𝗪𝗟𝗟𝗔𝗟. Application deadline will be on 23rd July 2024. Friend, let's divide into the detail. First off, the position of technical assistant. The number of posts is only 1 post. The technical assistant role requires a 3-year diploma in civil engineering along with strong computer skill. Candidate with BE, BTech in civil engineering and experience in governmental agencies will be given preference. The salary for this position is 33,000 per month along with other applicable allowance. Now let's talk about the data entry operator position. The number of posts is only 1 post. Candidate for this role must be graduate in any discipline with a 1-year diploma in computer application. Proficiency in internet software is also required. Preference will be given to those with a 3-year diploma in computer application from a polytechnic institution. The salary offer for this position is 18,000 per month along with other allowance, and the age limit must be 18 to 32 years old. To apply, candidate must submit their application in the standard form along with necessary document to 𝗪𝗟𝗟𝗔𝗟, cell 𝗪𝗟𝗟, East Garo Hill, Williamnagar, before 23rd July 2024. The writing test for technical assistant will be conducted on 30 July 2024, and the practical for the data entry operator will be takes place on 26 July 2024. Shortlist candidate will be notified for further interview. Don't miss out for this opportunity to join the State Rural Employment Society in East Garo Hill District. Subscribe to our channel for more updates on job opportunity and recruitment notification. Thank you for watching.